The on the internet about say, man I use her pity them. What you expect Annie? You're their mom. What do you expect? Are you their mother? It can't get no better. Is you are their mother?
I just want to dress up in the old clothes them and go out. That's all.
And you are their mother. Everything, that's why I'm telling you now, everything I play out in her Annie face right now because of all the things that Annie do around her kids them. I see Annie introduce her, pinning them to every man where she sleep with. Every man Annie introduce her kids them to the man them. How much stepfather I don't know from I know no mother. Every man Annie introduce Mika and Zoe. You there with TikTok police, you have Mika boo, a video yo with your slackness.